In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels covers that perfectly fit onto your feed using Canva. Have you ever noticed a misalignment on your Instagram feed when browsing through posts and Reels? If so, don't worry, we are about to change that. With Canva, you can create custom reel covers that seamlessly blend with your overall feed design, maintaining the cohesive aesthetic you want. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to Canva on your computer or mobile app. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in Instagram Reels. This will bring up a variety of design templates tailored specifically for Instagram Reels. Choosing the right starting point is essential as it sets the stage for your creative journey. Take a moment to explore the options available. You'll find a diverse array of templates featuring different styles and aesthetics, so there's something to suit everyone's taste, whether you're going for modern minimalism or vibrant pop. Once you find a template that resonates with your brand or personal style, click on Customize this template. This feature allows you to tweak and adjust the elements within the template to make it uniquely yours. This might include changing the color scheme, switching up images, or adding symbols and illustrations that align with your brand identity. Now, this is where the fun truly begins. You can change the text to reflect your own message. Simply click on the text box, highlight the existing text, and type in your own words. Consider using a catchy title or a phrase that will draw attention. Canva offers a wide variety of fonts, so be sure to pick one that complements the vibe you're going for. Remember, readability is key, so keep your text concise and ensure it stands out against the background. Next, let's focus on the timing of your cover. While you're still in the design editor, drag the page timeline bar to decrease or increase the duration of your design as a cover. It's a neat trick that helps you control how long that first impression lasts when someone comes across your reel. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can preview it by clicking on the preview button at the top of the Canva design menu. This will help you ensure your cover looks as expected when viewed as part of your feed. Don't rush this step, it's worth taking the time to get everything just right. Finally, when you're happy with the design, click on the download button to save your cover. Make sure to select the correct file type such as PNG or JPEG for optimal quality. Now your custom Instagram Reels cover is ready to be uploaded. With these simple steps, you can create professional and eye-catching Instagram Reels covers that will not only enhance your feed's appearance, but also attract more engagement. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Canva.